Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to compare two of the most talked about smartphones in the market, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and the iPhone 13. Both of these smartphones have their own unique features and specs, but which one is better? Let's dive into the comparison. Design. Starting with the design, both the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and the iPhone 13 have a sleek and modern design. The S20 Ultra has a larger 6.9-inch screen with a small punch-hole camera, while the iPhone 13 has a 6.1-inch screen with a small notch. The S20 Ultra has a glass back with a metal frame, while the iPhone 13 has a ceramic shield front with aluminum sides. Both phones are water and dust resistant, with the S20 Ultra having a higher IP rating. Display. Moving on to the display, the S20 Ultra has a higher resolution with a 3200 by 1440 display compared to the iPhone 13's 1170 by 2532 display. However, the iPhone 13 has a higher pixel density, which means that the text and images appear sharper. The S20 Ultra has a higher refresh rate of 120 Hz compared to the iPhone 13's 60 Hz, which means that scrolling and animations are smoother on the S20 Ultra. Camera. When it comes to the camera, the S20 Ultra has a quad camera setup with a 108 megapixels primary camera, a 48 megapixels telephoto lens, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a time-of-flight sensor. The iPhone 13 has a dual camera setup with a 12 megapixels primary camera and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens. Both phones have night mode, but the S20 Ultra's night mode produces better results with more details and less noise. Processor and battery. Under the hood, the S20 Ultra is powered by an Exynos 990 or Snapdragon 865 processor depending on the region, while the iPhone 13 has an A15 Bionic chip. Both phones have 5G connectivity, but the S20 Ultra has a higher RAM capacity of 12 GB compared to the iPhone 13's 6 GB. The S20 Ultra also has a larger battery with a capacity of 5000 mAh compared to the iPhone 13's 3095 mAh. However, Apple is known for their efficient use of battery, so the iPhone 13's battery life might be better. Operating system. Lastly, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra runs on Android 10 with Samsung's One UI skin, while the iPhone 13 runs on the latest iOS 15. This is a matter of personal preference as both operating systems have their own pros and cons. Conclusion. In conclusion, both the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and the iPhone 13 have their own unique features and specs. The S20 Ultra has a larger screen, higher resolution, better camera, and more RAM, while the iPhone 13 has a better processor, longer battery life, and runs on the latest iOS. It ultimately comes down to personal preference and which features are more important to you. Let us know in the comments which phone you prefer and why. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech videos.